how to connect your PS5 controller to an Android phone with Bluetooth. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pair your PS5 controller to your Android phone using Bluetooth. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, we need to put our PS5 controller in Bluetooth pairing mode. We can do that by holding the PlayStation button and this button up in the top left at the same time. So just hold those two at the same time. You'll start seeing a blue blinking around the edges right here. That means it's in Bluetooth pairing mode. So now we can go to our Android phone and you want to open up the settings app. And then once in the settings, select connected devices and then pair new device at the top. Give it some time. What we're looking for is DualSense wireless controller. Select that. And then it doesn't need access to your contacts or your call history. So select pair. And then once it's connected, you'll see the blue lights on your PS5 controller stop blinking. So now you can use your PS5 controller when you play games on your Android phone, such as Fortnite, Call of Duty, anything like that, and it will control your player in those games. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.